Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Astral stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in an even number. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 half double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Now we'll be alternating between making a single crochet into one chain and then a half double in the next one. So into this next chain, make a single crochet. Then make a half double crochet into the next chain. Then you will start repeating that. Make a single crochet in the next chain, a half double in the next one, make a single crochet in the next chain, and a half double in the next one. That's how things are looking. You're now going to start repeating by making a single crochet in the next chain and a half double in the next one until you reach the end of this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 half double crochet. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. You'll be skipping 1 stitch. Into this next one, make 2 half double crochet into the same stitch. And that's the sequence. Skip 1 stitch, into this next one, 2 half double crochet stitches. Skip 1 stitch, into this next one, 2 half double crochet. That's how everything is looking so far. So you're going to start repeating this sequence of skipping 1 stitch and then into the next one, making 2 half double crochet into the same stitch until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch and then a chain over here left. Skip 1 stitch like we had been doing into the top of this chain over here at the end of your row. Make 1 half double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 half double crochet stitch. Now row 3 is going to be similar to row 1 where we alternated between making a single crochet, then a half double crochet. It's going to be the same thing, we're just working into stitches instead of chains. So into this next stitch, make a single crochet. Into the next one, a half double. Then a single. Half double, single, and half double. So you can see how that is looking. You're now going to start repeating this by making a single crochet in the next stitch, then a half double crochet in the next stitch until you reach the end of this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the astral stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.